Welcome to GovieRates. GovieRates is a cost accounting, general ledger, and reporting system add-on to QuickBooks Online. It provides government contractors with a DCAA-Compliant Chart of Accounts, job costing reports, and the ability to calculate indirect rates, wrap rates, and fully burdened rates, all needed to manage project profitability and accurately price labor for future cost proposal. Once purchased, you can set up GovieRates in a few easy clicks. At the company setup screen, you will want to update your NAICS code. If you are a government contractor, you will notice that the screen is very much like the DCAA-ICE setup screen. You must enter your certifying official's name, designation, and email address. Scrolling down, you'll notice that you can select the number of pools and rates used in your organization. Currently, GovieRates allows for one other indirect pool outside of overhead. For example, overhead is automatically included as a cost pool for any calculation of wrap rates or other indirect rates. So an additional pool would be G&A. At this time, you have two indirect cost pools to allocate labor. Fringe costs will be applied as a final rate and be included in the overhead-based calculation of our calculations.
To have your accounting system compliant with the DCAA or the Pre-Award Accounting System Survey, your accounting system must segregate direct costs from indirect costs properly, as well as allocate and accumulate costs by contract. GovieRates helps you meet these objectives. With its mapping tool that helps transform your QuickBooks Online General Ledger into a CAST Cost Accounting General Ledger. You simply need to map your QuickBooks General Ledger to the Cost Accounting General Ledger items in the drop-down provided in the category columns.
Job costing for government contracting has finally arrived with QuickBooks Online. To allow job costing reporting for your contracts or projects, simply map your customers as provided from your QuickBooks Online system to the proper contract type as provided in the drop-down column. GovieRates has an indirect rates dashboard that allows you to calculate your wrap rate, overhead rate, fringe rate, and G&A rate. We also have a fully burdened labor calculator that will allow you to determine the break-even billable rate for your employees' time to cover your costs. Don't forget to add a profit fee to that fully burdened rate. GovieRates allows you to run job costing reports on each project based on your current indirect rates. In addition, we provide you with the necessary GL mapping and other reports needed to support you in DCAA and other government contracting accounting system audits. Lastly, for those government contractors that have to submit an annual incurred cost proposal to the DCAA, GovieRates can produce a draft ICE report in Excel format at the click of a button. What was once a multi-day project can be completed in mere minutes with GovieRates. Welcome to GovieRates and enjoy.